breaking the law right now. It's red. It is red, dear. That's why you guys get run over, because you don't obey the road rules. Yo, what is up, fam? So today is the third day I am in Osaka, so sadly I'm going back to Tokyo. We're gonna be taking the Shinkansen, if I'm not mistaken, but I think we're gonna try to make a pit stop first to Nara. That'll be a lot of fun. Anyway, so that's basically our itinerary for today. We're gonna be going from once we're in Shibuya, we're probably gonna go straight to our capsule hotel, the Millennials. Now, Millennials capsule hotel, I was there last time I was in Shibuya as well. It was so good that I really wanted to go back there. There are better options, of course, cheaper options, but this was the most convenient in terms of location. So I won't have the privacy of our own kind of Airbnb anymore. So it'll just be like one small room. I don't want to rant about that kind of stuff. Anyway, we're going to be doing a lot more stuff today. Hopefully we get to see the matcha people as well, doing that at Nara. We hopefully get to see some deer at Nara as well, because that's where our pit stop will be, and then we'll come back, get our luggage and go straight to Tokyo. Anyway, that's the plan, guys. Let's get going. Where are we going?
We're going to Kyoto.
Kyoto? What?
Oh, we're going to Nara. Had some deer.
I know, I wish we were going to Kyoto, but John didn't plan it well enough, and
oh, whatever, man.
these deer better be worth it, man. Better not smash my camera too, man. But yo, what's up? So we just landed. I mean, we didn't land. We just exited
Tetsu Nara,
and we're gonna go exit and go see the deer. And yeah, John's just getting ready. He's all equipped now. He's got all his camera equipment ready, and he's ready to vlog, guys. He's ready to vlog. Woo. I need this. People drink coffee, I just drink this.
I need this.
I need this, y'all. I need this. So we're currently walking towards where everyone else is walking. I don't really know.
The crowd. Man.
Yeah. So we're just going and following the crowd down there. Hopefully it leads us to somewhere where deer are. One of the stuff that you can actually do with the deer is to feed them, and they do the whole height thing. There's actually a deer there right now. Right there. John's buying food. What's the food? Are you gonna get some now? Are you gonna get some now?
Maybe.
Okay, we just noticed that the deer are everywhere there. Wow.
Okay, so I've got some food.
Hello. Hello. Oh, he didn't even say thank you. He didn't say thank you. Hi. No. Oh, I don't like it. So these are the cookies that we're supposed to give. Oh, he's got. He saw it. He saw it. Oh no, he saw it. Oh. So these are the cookies that they want, and they're quite appetizing. What am I doing? You gotta take it.
Wait, let me take the wrapper off, please.
It's brand. Cease, man. These ones are scary. These are. All right, sorry. All right, okay.
Don't bring it to me here.
Sorry, you gotta have this. No, you gotta. Oh, cease. The ones with the horns are scary. Freaking just jammed my ass. Now they're chasing John. Oh, John. We're trying to look for the nicer ones. There's some really aggressive ones, probably the really hungry ones, but oh my gosh, we're getting ambushed. Bro, none of them rammed your ass with their freaking horns, bro. They were just like laughing at you, and then all of a sudden, bang! I was like, oh! So some of them are pretty scary, I gotta admit, but some of them are pretty cute. We're really looking for the ones that actually do the height thing like that. And not all of them do it, they just grab your food. Here comes one. What's up, buddy? Yo, what's up? Ah! Want some more? Oh, you're welcome. You are welcome. She actually said hi. Let's say okay, hi, 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 there, hi. Oh, you did it. She's nice. Oh crap. Oh crap. Here's another one. Oh, fighting. Alright, sorry guys, don't worry. Alright, sorry. Oh crap. Ah. So what's up guys, we left the Nara Park area for a moment in time and now we're at the Fukuji Temple precinct, if that's how you say it. And as you can see, it's got some magnificent buildings and structures. I love looking at these buildings. They're so nice, so well made, so well kept. There's some more down there as well. There's that big one down there. I just like looking at big things, big temples in totally different kind of cultures and stuff. It's such an experience. So we just got out of the whole temple area and now we're walking down a normal street. We're gonna try to look for those people that do the mochi thing. I think they're not far away. They have some pretty cool souvenir shops around here. Look at this one. That's risky. It's risky buying stuff there. And to all my sneakerheads out there, just some Japanese culture regarding footwear. I just saw this a place called Tabuji. Yeah, it's called Tabiji. And look at the kind of sneakers that they have. Bro, that's crazy. It's the toe shoes. Look at the toe socks. Not bad, man. Yeah. This guy's running in them. That's the actual sneakers, bro. You can actually hold them and everything. Bro, that's some fire stuff. I could imagine in the future people will be wearing this kind of stuff. I don't know. Because I actually saw one brand had that kind of sneaker, like, and kind of used it as a design fashion thing. And that's what my cousin showed it to me and I was just like, what the heck? But I think it might come around, you never know. So cool. Hey, so we finally reached that place. It's so packed. It's a lot of people here. It's so freaking cool. You can hear them in the background, can't you? So we basically got there at the end of it. I think they're really strict on how much people they want to see. They actually do the mochi thing because it's right next to it. It's right next to a road, and all the people just kind of gather there and they cause traffic, which makes sense. I mean, I reckon once someone actually saw this on social media, it just blew up. So yeah. Okay. Oh, hey John. So I bought a mochi from that place. Yeah. It's really, I can smell the nuts. Oh, it's good, bro. Check it out. It's got red bean stuff inside. I got filling. Oh, my mouth's just full of that powder, the mochi powder. So good, guys. that pounding that they do to the actual mochi really does something to it, I guess. But it tastes so good. Yum. So now we're just currently just walking down this long strip of shopping stores. Pretty cool. I like it a lot. Yo, so me and John been thinking about like wearing one of those kimonos. It's kind of expensive though. These things. One of those. I think Nara has a basketball team. It's called Bambitious, like Bambi. At the top down there. To get the whole kit. The kit and caboodle. Tempting.
Oh, this coming Friday. Still away, yeah.
In the back.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is pretty much everything. So you got the belt, you got the traditional kimono as well. Yeah, what's up guys? So I don't know if you guys saw the whole thing, but I was actually trying it on. So it typically costs, it's pretty expensive for a traditional kimono. The one that I bought, along with it's a kimono with the belts and the underbelt, it costs around 15,400 yen, which is around 204 Australian dollars. I think it's, look, I already have something like this at home. My wife bought me one when I was when she went over to Japan before, but it wasn't a real one, so it was only like a jinpei if I'm not mistaken. But this one's like actual traditional kimono, so I really wanted to get one this time around. And you know, if I'm gonna bring something back, I thought I'd get something really super traditional, and I can't wait. Now John's trying one. Here we go, John.
There we go.
What do you think?
I don't know. I like it. I am tempted to get it. I really want one. There's just no room if I like it.
So we're currently looking around for food now. I don't know if you guys saw, but I actually did buy a kimono for Raquel. It's sort of like a one-size-fits-all kind of thing, and you just adjust it to how you want it. We're gonna try wait 15 minutes before that mochi place opens up again, and they do the yeah thing. So we're gonna do that. Yo, Moss Burger with the goods, bro. With the goods, there's John.
The cameras.
Alright guys, so we're walking back now. Nara's a pretty nice place. Maybe watch your kids if you go down to the deer park, because yeah, the deer can be aggressive, but everything else is really nice. There's a lot of shops there, a lot of places to eat, a lot of places you can buy kimonos as well, and they got that famous mochi place, so definitely come out and check it. Alright.
The next station is Osaki. JY20.
Oh, we eat Shibuya, baby!
Sugoi!
There she is again. I'm just chilling. Yeah. Yo, so what's up guys? So we just got to our millennials capsule hotel. So here's me, there's John, doing his thing down there. So we've already had dinner. We went to Wendy's for a little bit and stuff, but like I'm a little bit wrecked. I'm wrecked, and oh, it's such a nice place to actually just like lie down. Took a shower. They had a really nice shower here. It's got like one of those like rain, like it's a big shower head, and it just kind of whoosh all over you. It's like feels so nice. Anyway, I'm gonna get going. Thanks once again for watching this video. More stuff to come tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna do some more adventures out in Tokyo. I'm gonna actually go visit one of the sneaker brands tomorrow too. One of the brands here in Japan. So he wanted to have lunch, and I was just like, okay, let's do it, bro. Let's do it. And so hopefully that turns out all right. He said I can go meet his colleague, who's one of the designers, and oh, freak, man, that'll be sick. To go and speak to him. Anyways, guys, thanks for once again watching this video. If you like it, please give me that thumbs up. If you think you like the content, please consider subscribing. All right, peace, guys. See you soon.